What's up? Jeff here, though, my Bitcoin renegades. And I'm just going back to my old intro. All the other intros just seem generic and not myself, man. The whole point of me doing this channel is to be myself. So I'm not going to have some generic entrance. I'm just going to say, what up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, because that's me. That was just how I wanted to introduce how I would do it. So just let me send this tweet out and then we'll get started on an amazing show today because I have about 100 to 200 bucks right now, and I'm looking for a 10x gem. So let's go find one together. See if we can, you bounce some ideas off of me. We'll go look at some stuff and see if we can't together find the next 10x gem that we put 100 to 200 bucks in tonight. So we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be a good episode. If you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel. All of the likes that you hit are really appreciated. And obviously go to bitcoinrenegade.net because that's our new up and running website. We are still figuring it out. So we're making adjustments over there, making it look better, and just working on that daily. So just know that. And things are looking good. Crypto's good right now. Let's look at Bitcoin for a second while I send you this tweet. Or while I send this tweet out, I'll let you guys look at Bitcoin because it's at 44,773. Don't worry, it's not going to be a Bitcoin TA show. We are going to go look at a gem. This is just while I tweet this out real quick. So, and as you see, yeah, we're at 44,700 now. So slowly climbing to where we need to be, above 50K. I'd really like to see us go above 50K. I mean, almost to 45K right here. I'd love to see us get back up to this level right here, this 50K. That would really trigger the whole market and a new all-time high possibly coming in. And then we'll probably see more than 10x gems. So that's what we're looking for. So this is all about a crypto gem and how to find them. We're going to be looking at new projects, but we're also going to be looking at existing projects, low cap gems that basically have anywhere between 100 million and less of a market cap. Let's look for ones that could really blast off from 10 to even 100x. But let's be realistic, 10x. That's the one we kind of want. If we get more than that, hey, great. But let's not get greedy here. 10x crypto. All right, here we go. And then, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's sent out. If you're on Twitter, please give that a good old smash. I'm not Renegade0264 on Twitter anymore. It's actually Bitcoin Renegade now. As you see right here, Bitcoin Renegade with a 3. I'm trying to buy the actual Bitcoin Renegade from somebody. I can't do underscore because they only let you do 15 letters long on here. But anyway, let's get to this crypto gems, guys. All right, I did that. We're getting into this now. So I want to put 100 to 200 bucks in a crypto right now. So how am I going to do this? Well, let's start with CoinMarketCap. And let's go to, well, this is 148. Can we find ranking? Here we go. This is what we need to go to. So we got trending cryptos right here. That's where I normally would like to start because this is where a lot of other people are looking at, making money right now. Trending, and then you have your biggest gainers, and then recently added. And all of these are going to be good. But I like to look at Coinbase before I come over here. So let's go to the legit crypto first, and then we'll come back to those ones. Those will be more of the low cap gems, but I want to see Coinbase new crypto. And my friend was telling me about one of those. I would have to look at his text. I think it's LCX he was talking about. So let's see if we can. What is this saying? Right here. Knox FS, KFX, price charts. Okay, let's check this thing out. This is March 25th. So this was yesterday. And what is this? Knox FS, KFX USD, 37 cents right now. It's down 75%. Look at this. It went all the way up to 371 in November. And now we're all the way down to 37. So that right there. And then look over here. I had a nice pump in April of 21 as well. So far this is looking pretty good. And I guess it's new. Yeah, it is new. Is not supported by Coinbase? Hold on. New. is not supported by Coinbase. Okay. I don't know what that means. I guess it's not supported by Coinbase. So you can only get it on the Coinbase wallet then? If it's not supported by Coinbase, you will have to get it out of the Coinbase on-chain wallet, which I can show you what that looks like real quick on my phone. It's kind of like Coinbase, except it's the on-chain wallet. Here, I'll show you. I have both of them, the on-chain and the regular one. It looks like that all the way over here. The blue one, that's the on-chain Coinbase wallet. And then you can find like KFX and a lot of those other ones as well. But I think you might, let me actually check the real Coinbase site on my phone and see if it actually is on here. KFX, it's called? Okay, let's look at KFX and see if it's actually on Coinbase. KFX. And if it's not, it will say Coinbase wallet only. Yeah, it's not tradable. Oh, it's not supported by Coinbase or Coinbase wallet. Never mind. It's not supported by Coinbase at all. Okay, unfortunately, you can't get this on Coinbase, but that doesn't matter. If we can get it elsewhere, look at this. I just want to show you this real quick. I know you saw it on that other map, but look at this one. It's not supported by Coinbase. That don't matter. We could probably get it on Hotbit, one of those other ones. So let's see exactly where we can get this now. Because LCX, this is one my friend was talking about. We'll look at this one too, and then Function X. See, these are trending, and these are the ones we look at when we're wanting to buy crypto. Why? Now, why would I care what other people are doing? Well, that's because that's where the money's at. Where the people are at, the money is at, right? And it has 3,620% more views today than it did, yesterday or whatever. And so it is up that much. That's how people are looking at these, and that normally correlates with a big price move. So we're going to look at those, but let's see where we can get the KFX first. Okay. Is on the rise this week. Okay. Popular cryptocurrencies. Don't care. Okay. We might have to look at this elsewhere now. So Nox FS. We'll come back to this. Let's do another page on CoinMarketCap, see if we have it here. What was it called? KFX? KFX. Yep. There we go. Okay, so it's 40 cents here. And what is it saying here? 37. Okay. Oh, no, it's down to 36. Okay. Well, I wonder what that was all about. Maybe it just went down to 36 from 40. Who knows? But look at this. Yes, it did have a monumental rise right here. Boom. But where would you even buy this? If we're going to get into this, now that it's back down to the pre-pump price, it might actually get, because there's still volume coming into it. So let's go see. What is this even? The live Nox FS price today is 40 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of $21. So far, this isn't looking very good. Let's go look at all this over here. Price change, okay. Okay. Trading volume, $21. Yeah. I don't even know why this is here. Okay, automatically that ends our search of this coin. We no longer are going to be looking at this at all. $185,000 market cap. $383 volume. Nope. So that's our first loser of the day. I don't know how that we even came in contact with that, but all right. On to one that's actually probably a little better now. I always see this thing pumping every single time that we are in a pump. This thing like just blasts off. See that? Blast off, blast off, blast off, blast off, blast off. So this thing is known for blasting off. I remember in every single bull market we've ever had, or I've had since about 2020, this thing has pumped every single pump. So I would probably be interested in getting into this crypto at some point. It does have a nice volume of 36 mil, a market cap of 263. This is good. 263 mil. That means it's a legit crypto, not a $21 crypto. We don't mess with. Like, get off my screen. All right, LCX. Let's put that one up there. Get off my screen. What is wrong with you? Pollute my screen. All right. All right, but back here, function X. Sorry, I just didn't want that on my screen at all. It made me mad. Okay. But yeah, this is a good pumper right here. This thing pumps a lot. And I want to be a part of that. So, is this on Coinbase? I think it might be Coinbase Wallet. I'm not 100% sure though. Let's see. Let's see. I can look right here. What is it called? FX or FX what? FXC? Just FX. Okay. Yeah, there it is. They have an FX share and CFX. But this one's 64 cents. Yep, that's the right one. Ooh, it's tradable on Coinbase, everybody. It is tradable. Whoops. It's tradable. So that's pretty cool. LFX, that or FX. So I think I might be purchasing this. I might want to get it at like 40 to 50 cents, but I see a nice pump on this thing, at least, double. And it could pump just blam to like 129 real quick. And then I'd get out. I'd have a sell order if I bought this. I would have an automatic sell order in for like a buck or something, because I think it would go right to it. And then boom, get a profit and get out. So this is definitely on the top of my list of buying. I don't know how long that could take though. And I would be looking to get in right around 60 cents would be, I'd like to do some TA on this. So let's actually, before we look at LCX, let's bring this one up and do a little bit of technical on it just so that we can, okay, 62.93 here. Okay. Ooh, it just kind of fell in the last few minutes. Wait, that's a daily? Wow. It had a nice pump all the way up here to 81 or something. Okay. And then all the way back down. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's some brutal stuff, man. I don't understand this crypto already. Okay, this is USDT. Let's try USD. Okay, that's more my language. Man, that USD, if you ever run into a pattern like that, get out of USDT. That's why I tell you to go to the USD a lot here. Because if you saw what that was, how are you going to read that? I mean, yeah, a lot of volume just came out of it, but what? So, yeah, just be careful with that. And if you want to get out of it, boom, just take the T out. Now, that looks like kind of like a bull flag. I don't know. It would have to be more like the 1 hour. Not even there. That's a big candlestick. Yeah, that's no bull flag. I mean, technically, that does look like a bull flag like that. That's a super long bull flag, and it has no reason in this candle to go to do that right there, except for all that. So definitely not a bull flag. I honestly don't know what's going on. That it's kind of like a falling wedge or like a symmetrical wedge. Yeah, it's more like I bet it's a symmetrical triangle. Actually, is what it is. That's normally what happens when you get these things like that that look like a bull flag, but they're not. Yeah, see, and they come to a peak like that. That's symmetrical triangle. It broke out up here, but always comes back under symmetrical triangle. And that's bearish normally. But it can just go sideways for a while and just do nothing. So I don't know. I think this thing already had its pump, but at a good entry point, this could be a good crypto. But for right now, I just don't see it. Darn it! I was hoping to see something better than this. But it could pump later on. I'm looking for something that is going to give me some returns immediately. So I'll keep this one in mind, but I'm not sure that I am sold on Function X right now. I mean, we could bust out some indicators, but I don't really even think I need to. Right? If you don't know why I might not need to, because look at the pattern. I mean, just clearly staying between these two levels, and it had a nice pump and then just kind of sideways and a nice pump and then boom. And it is at kind of a down level, but it doesn't look all that great. There was a bunch of volume that came in, and now it's just doing nothing again. So you could wait for the next event like this to happen, but I don't know. Let's see what that one's 50. Let's do the 100. Okay, pretty consistent at 66 and 67 right there. Nowhere. Wait, did it just go to 61 or 63? Okay, this price is all over the place. So I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it says 64 right here. And it says 61 right here and 63.7 right there. I think it's 63.7. I think this is the right price right here. So, but it's nowhere close to the 21, the 50, or the 100. So, I think it's under a lot of resistance right now, and it's going to have a hard time breaking above that. It was in a good place up here. It was above all of it. Kind of tested it right here, broke back above it, and then something happened where it just got smacked down, and it's under all of those resistance points now. Same thing here. The 100's at 62, and you're above that. The 50 and the 21 are still super high. Let's look here. 58, 55, 63. So it looks like you're doing pretty good here on the 4 hour. So the lower time frames are looking a little bit neutral and bearish. The larger time frames are looking a little bit bullish still. Now let's look at the day. Yeah, things are starting to turn around for this crypto, but it looks like we're going further down, especially with Japanese candlesticks. So I'm definitely not messing with this crypto right now. But I wanted to go over everything just to show you this is a good crypto, and if you can get it down here for these prices at Bedrock, I would do it. But I would look for further pullbacks before a bounce, and then you could probably catch it on the bounce as well. So just be careful with that. And let's move on to the next crypto. I really want to find a good one that I'm going to buy right now. Hopefully, it's on Coinbase. I'm not buying Function X. Let's see. Let's go back to the list of trending cryptos. Is this it right here? LCX. New on Coinbase, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but it had a nice peak and kind of went down, boom. And then this is almost exactly like my channel. My views go like this and then kind of broke down, and now they're starting to pump again. And that's pretty funny how my channel follows crypto. Like if crypto does good, my channel does good, and vice versa. That's pretty funny. But let's see. Ooh, see, this only has a $96 million market cap. and a $10 million volume. Only 755 million circulating supply. The trading activity is not that great though, but the volume is. So that's a lot more important than the actual what this says here. All time high is 70 cents. Price change -1 on the day or the hour, -7 on the day, and it's up 45% on the week. So it went from what, 6 or 7 something all the way up to 13. So it's looking pretty good right now. The other day would have been a good day to buy this. And I think this one might be one I'm interested in buying actually. 24-hour dominance. This is basically its place in the market, how much of the total market it holds, which is 0.03% of the entire 24-hour market cap. So, and then for the rank, it's 217. This is a good crypto. Let's take it over to here and look at some technicals though, because just because a crypto looks good, like future or that one we just looked at, the FX, doesn't mean that it's a good purchase right now. I mean, you could possibly make money, but it looks like it already pumped. But this one, however, okay, it did. It already had a nice pump today to 15, but it's already down again. Okay. Yeah, we're having a lot of this right now, where crypto just pumps and then boom goes down and finds itself here. And as you see, that happens a lot. And afterwards, we've had a lot of down. So hopefully, this is not the case with this one. Every single time it gets a pump like that, it goes down afterwards. Every time, down, down, down. So I'm hoping. I mean, I would hope that wouldn't go down, but I'd be stupid to think that it's not going to, right? I mean, look how many times it's done it before. So we're gonna have to be prepared for this to go down. Realistically, yeah. See, it's still going down right now. But it might actually hold either right here or a little bit below that right here. Now, it doesn't have to go all the way down like that. This is a nice little level right here, where it is right now. But is that far enough down compared to historically? I don't think so. I don't know. But we are on a reversal now, and this was all during the downtrend of the whole market. But like this was November, right, or December, and look at the nice pump, and then dump, and then massive pump again. So it did have a good pump here, but it's going down. This would be, a good area to get in at like 11, I would say. I would be looking to get in somewhere around 11 cents for this particular crypto. Now, if we see a reversal and it actually starting to do well again, then I would reevaluate and maybe think about buying at 12 something, like 12.8, where it is now. But for right now, I mean, it does look like it's going to go up, but let's go into the shorter time frame so that we can see, and let's bust out some indicators because I'm kind of interested in this one right now. Oh, yeah. Looking pretty good, actually. Why am I not? Oh, because I went to Coinbase. My bad, guys. We're going to find this 10x gem, and I think it might be this one. And let's see if we can't 10x this bad boy. Oh, no way, dude. Just forfeit my peeps. Thank you. We will do Jasmine. Jasmine. Okay, here's what he says. Here's $10 for Jasmine. Going to pump. April 1st, Japan's data laws come out. Oh, on April Fool's Day. Jasmine is only one complaint. Hold on. Japan's data laws come out. Japan's data law comes out. Jasmine is only one complaint. Gonna pump next week. Good entry. Can you chart it real quick? Yes, we can. Make sure there's no other bigger ones, which didn't think there was, but you never know. Yeah, let's go right to Jasmine. Let's pick up. We'll go right back to that in a second. Because I might think about Jasmine too, actually. Oh, I think XYO as well. Man, there's a few that I'm actually really interested in getting more money in. I'm just putting like 10, $20 a week on XYO. But should I get in on Jasmine on like a $200 level? Or should I do XYO or LCX? That's what I'm looking for. So, okay, it hasn't had a big pump yet, but look at that volume. We're starting to see the market. Okay, I like that. What were we talking about last time on Jasmine? Do you guys remember what? I wish it would keep my market. Let's go to USD though, because this USDT it just confuses the heck out of me sometimes. All right, there we go. Oh, this looks better anyway. The only problem is I see kind of a double top right here. You see this? I hate to say that, because I'm really bullish on Jasmine and the overall project, but I do see this double top right here, which is the reason we have this pullback right here is because of these double tops right here. But that doesn't have to last. As you see, it didn't put us all the way down, but we found a nice level of support right here at about 3.4, which goes all the way back here on our descent. So, in my opinion, Jasmine is right where it needs to be. It is taking old resistance and turning it into support now. And so that is definitely something that I like to see with Jasmine, for sure. EMA, let's get two of those, and the RSI, so that we can see the volume weighted against it. Saw this girl do a Jim Carrey TikTok. Haven't seen that in a while, and she did it like almost identical to Jim Carrey. Pretty sick. All right, things are looking good actually on the 21 and the 9, even 3.6. Yeah, 3.60. We're actually even above the 9. So there is a lot of support right here. So actually, this double top didn't really hurt that bad. And Jasmine's actually, I'm not just saying because he gave me a $10 super chat, but because I would have said, hey, double top. Because my first impression was, yeah, it's going to go down double top. But I think what happened, yeah, we had a double top, but we got a nice support here on the 9. And if we would have broke below that, we would have had support on the 21. The volume is decreasing as the price goes down, which means less people are selling, more people are holding and buying. That's what that tells me. People are probably moving it to their cold storage wallets and off of exchanges because the volume being sold, as you see, is diminishing, which is a good indicator, especially on. Now, we could see a nice ascending triangle right here because this is one of my favorite patterns. The only problem with that is it might have just broke to the downside. And, okay. Nah. I mean, we could still have it because look at that. I mean, we do. We have an ascending triangle on the daily, which is a continuation pattern. And so if we get more bullish and go to the upside, we're good. But as the way it looks right now, it could possibly just go sideways and not really break down or up. So it kind of, I mean, Bitcoin's doing good right now. So that is what we need to look at for these other cryptos as well. So, all right, let's go smaller time frames because I can't tell right now. I'm like 50-50 either way. I'm like, I want to be bullish because this ascending triangle, but we're starting to see less volume. And no, that looks good. I think it looks like we're going to have a continuation. We are going down for now. Let's look at these EMAs though, and the RSI. So, oh, sorry, we didn't look at the RSI on the daily. Oh, okay, we're at 57. We did go way up right here, and then we kind of touched here. So we have a ways to move up. We need to break out of this level though of 4.3 in order to continue moving to the upside. But you know what? Jasmine could go sideways for a little while and still be good. Like it's in a good position. Anyone that's holding Jasmine, you're in a good position. And I would even think of, the future moves, what you're going to do. So always have a backup scenario if it's going to go up or down. So, but look on the daily, it looks good. The RSI is getting up there. The only thing I don't like is seeing this line go below this line. That is a bearish indicator right there. This happening, the RSI going below the median line of the RSI. See, when it goes below it, it's normally bearish. It stays below it here when we're bearish and going down. And then it breaks above it when we're going up. Well, it just broke below it again. So that is one thing I would be careful of for sure right here. As you see, it broke above it. We went up, and now it just broke below. So hopefully we can get a reversal because it's not completely broke out yet. And it's all up to you, Jasmy holders. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But if, you want to put some volume in there and help it out, that's up to you. I don't even know if that would help, honestly. So, but yeah, let's go to the lower time frames and we can see. And I want to get back to LCX, but I wanted to give you a thorough evaluation for that nice super chat. Thank you. Oh, and I want to shout this guy out too, or gal. Probably, I can't say which because I've seen girls with trucks as well. The name is Just Forfeit. Thank you so much, Jasmine Holder. Complainant. Okay. That's what I thought you were trying to say, but I couldn't think of the word. You know what I mean? Okay, gonna pump next week. Good entry. Can you chart it real quick? So he's looking at next week. Okay, so I did the analysis, putting that in the back of my mind. Now we'll put that in the front of my mind. He says it's gonna pump next week. Well, that actually what we're looking at here. He's saying that the data law on April 1st, so we're March 20. Okay, so there's going to be good news coming out for Jasmy, so that's good. And if we think the good news coming out for Jasmy, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Well, right now the rumor is, in April 1st, Japan's data law comes out, and Jasmy is the one complaining. And it's going to pump because of that. So the news. Now, we're in a position where this could go up anyway. I don't know how heavy this news will, push it forward. But if it does and it's bullish, and this news come out bullish, then we're going to go up. And we're going to see a breakout of this level. Now, if this news just kind of falls flat or, does nothing, then we're just going to go sideways. I don't see it going back down farther than about 3-1. And if you see it there, I'm buying in at 3-1. That's a price. That's where my price target is for Jasmy right now, on a low pump. So I have a buy order down there for it, but I don't know if it's even going to go down to that again before we pump. So we'll see. Now in the 4 hours, it's looking pretty good. We are technically below this level still, and I want to see us break above this median level again to turn bullish again. That's the problem we're having. It's just the volume compared to, all of the buying and selling across the whole thing. It just isn't enough to sustain, short-term price action. So we're going to see this recover, though, especially with more news happening and more people learning about Jasmy and all of that. So let's look at the 1 hour. Can't do too much speculation. I just kind of want to do what the charts tell me. Now here is, unfortunately, I'm not going to lie to you. It looks like we have a descending triangle right here on the 1 hour, which is, this. But the good thing is it might break to the upside. And all it has to do to break to the upside is go up. And it doesn't look like it's going to break to the downside because there's a lot of support, the upward trending support line that you have from all the way before and just the support that you have right here. So I don't think you're going to, like I said, I don't think you're going to below 3-1 right here, even if you do break down. But I think there's a nice level support at 3-4. Yeah, so just hold on, accumulate. And then when this news comes out next week, you could possibly make another big leap forward. We'll keep an eye on this, and we'll continue charting this, every so often, so that we can get a better idea. Let's go to the 30-minute just to see how this descending triangle is playing out. And it's playing out just how I want it to, kind of going sideways to the upside. It doesn't seem like anything bad. Nope. And look, it broke out to the upside just a little bit right here. So all it really has to do is go sideways and up to break out, like I said. So we're good to go here. I don't think this descending triangle is going to hurt us in any way. Because just like an ascending triangle means we're going to continue going up, a descending triangle means we're going to continue going down. So we don't want this to break to the downside, because if that happens, then it means we're going to continue going down, probably to this 3-1, like I was saying. So before either going up or even further back down. So those are the things we were going to see. I'm actually pretty bullish on Jasmine right now. So I think that's about the extent I can do on this. I guess we could get the Bollingers and stuff, but I think that was a good, TA for that right now. Now back to LCX. What did he say? Anything? Is Japan now adopting cryptocurrency? No, Malaysia is. Actually, Malaysia, we could go show you real quick, since I like to have an interactive channel. So Malaysia adopts. I'm hoping it shows up. Nope. Rules out adopting. Oh no! Wait, what? It rules it out. It will not. Oh, okay. Never mind. I didn't know that news. Okay, well, I guess Malaysia's not going to do it. Glad you brought that up. Thank you, XDR0. I didn't know that. But there is good news for Jasmine, though, XDR0. If you know that next week Japan's data laws are going to come out, and I guess that's good for Jasmine. Well, Jasmine is basically Japan's Bitcoin, right? So yeah, that's going to be good. The data laws, and I hope it's bullish for Jasmine. A lot of these crypto laws are actually more bullish than we thought. They scared us at first, but actually these crypto laws are probably going to help crypto, in my opinion, in the smart countries. Now on LCX, I am seeing a reversal pattern a lot the same as Jasmine. It had the same kind of pump like this, except it went up a little higher because it's a brand new to Coinbase, I believe. So this is kind of having that pullback with little volume like Jasmine. They're kind of looking the same right now. So I would think about getting in both of these at these. Hey, look, and I even kind of have the same levels for Jasmine and for LCX. But let's get this out of the USD. I didn't even think of that, but they're a lot similar in the way they're moving. There was a previous level right here and a nice up and down. So this is going to be a nice support level right here. Is it going to go below this right now, though? I don't think so. I think this is where we draw the line at 12.4. It looks like the bulls are pushing back. This was previous resistance before we broke out. And then it kind of has been an area of support right here. So if we break below this, we are going to go down to here, which is going to be 11. Maybe a little bit higher at 11.19, because I go back to these previous, levels here. So I don't think it's going to break through all those layers, though, because it had a hard time breaking through on the way up. So it's probably going to hold its own. I like it. I like what's happening with this crypto. Now, that's the 30-minute, or the 1 hour. This is the 30-minute, which, that's a lot of red candles in a row. I don't like that. Look at the 15. I mean, it's pushing the limit right here. It really is testing that area. I mean, we could look at the 1 minute, but that's sketchy. I mean, there is some spurts of selling going on right now. That's why. Now, when you get these new cryptos, people get in and out of them so often that I just like to pick a price and get in and out myself. Like I would buy this at, I don't know, 12 or 11 something, and then just be cool with it, and then just let it go through, because normally these new ones end up pumping massively and then coming back down. And I don't know if this one's done that yet. Let's go back to the daily. I think it might have already done that. Yeah, I think it did. Darn it. So you want to get these before they pump massively. It already happened. So we could have more pumps coming, in the future. And but it's a little, I think. So I'm not getting on this one. I'm not going to be able to get a 10x gain after it's already pumped this much. But this is a good crypto. I might think about it in the future. I was almost sold on it, but the way I think it already pumped, no, let's find one before it pumps, because we're going to have a lot of crypto pump, right? So let's go look at XYO now. I think that is going to be the biggest one. Oh, no, no, no. Cancel, please. XYO. It's at 2 cents. So this is pre-pump XYO. It did go up from its penny stage. I mean, all crypto has kind of gone up a little bit, but if you look, this is still like almost. This was one bedrock level, and then it went one bedrock level below. But look at all that volume. So I would be prepared for a recovery very soon on XYO. So I think I might get in at 2 cents. Anything 2 cents and under are my entry points on this particular crypto every week. Well, I mean, I don't care what the price is with that money, but if I'm putting 200 in, then I want to do that. So, and I don't buy it on chain. I don't buy it on chain XYO. I mean, it might be. No, it isn't on chain. It's an ERC20 version, but I don't believe it's on chain version. So it is looking like another ascending triangle here, which is a bullish pattern, but it's kind of in the middle, so I'm not really too bullish on it, but I am. I mean, it could go either way, but I'm kind of bullish on it right now. Let's go to the 4 hour, and I'm not going to take a lot of time. We're going to go look at some other gems, because we look at this one a lot, but yeah, I like this continuation pattern. I think in the coming days and weeks, we're going to see a lot of crypto blast off to the upside. So you guys are going to want to stick around the channel as I bring you these new and old cryptos that are going to make us a lot of money. So let's look at the graph real quick just to see what price it's at. We're not going to do an ETA. I just want to look. It's at 41. Yikes. I'll be right back. Tonight's word of the night is going to be and and and. Now, let's go look for a gem that's a low cap that isn't $23. Well, let's go back and look at the trending cryptos and see if we can't find one. Cryptex Finance. What is this one? It's an $8 crypto. Okay. Five Mask. We've heard of Mask before. Inverse Finance. Okay. Oh, and Badger DAO. Now, Badger DAO is a good one, ladies and gentlemen, but I don't think any of these are going to 10x. Let's go to all the trending cryptos. The market's only up 8.89%. Top gainer. Status price. Nah. See, that's all Coinbase. Okay, let's go back over to Coin Market Cap. We found all of the top shelf cryptos, like our GERTs and our XYOs and our Jasmies. Well, let's go to these not so heard of cryptos that could make us a lot of money, like MetaPets. The metaverse is going to be the future, but if you ask me, um, they are stealing Definity's infinity symbol. That's what this is, the infinity symbol. And Meta is trying to steal it from Definity, and I don't like that. So let's get trending. Don't steal the symbol Meta. Hashtag don't steal our symbol. Hashtag don't steal our symbol Meta. I don't care about the Meta pets. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about Facebook's Meta. They're stealing the Definity logo and they're trying to patent it, or yeah, they're trying to get a patent on it or a copyright or something. Okay, this crypto is ranked 968, so that means super sketch. But it also could possibly 10, 20, 30, 100x, 1,000x, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros before 1, 2, 5, 4. Oh, that was the highest it was. And the lowest, I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros in a 1974. That is a $10 million market cap. So this is a legit crypto. 10 million bucks, not 21. This one has $1 million in volume. It has a lot of fully okay. It basically half of the cryptos out there. This might actually be a good project. Ooh, look at that pump. Boosh. And then look at all that volume, and it's just slowly going up. So I don't know. This is kind of sketchy though. It kind of looks like a scam one to me a little bit, but let's look. I mean, it has a lot of volume. $968 with a lot of volume. The maximum supply is not available. Ooh, but this is the problem right here. It has a circulating supply of way too many. Let's see, 100,000, 100 million, 100 billion, 100 trillion, quadrillion. So it has 51 quadrillion metapets coins, and the max supply is not available. Oh my goodness. That's why it costs so much. If you would like to know where to buy metapets, you can do it on PancakeSwap version 2, LA token, um, and that looks about it. I don't know. This one seems really sketchy. You want to see what it looks like on PancakeSwap? I think I might buy this one, man. You never know. That is a lot. Oh, look at all that volume on there. Okay, okay, okay. Why did it take me over here, though? I don't want to know about it. Let's go to the exchange, yo. And let's see. Where would I trade now, baby? And let's see if I can get it on here. Meta pets. Meta pets. Meta pets and meta pets. Yeah, be careful who you let in, because if you import it, yeah, I think this is the right one though. Meta pets. Meta pets. So I might actually buy this one. I don't know. Meta pets, huh? Cake. I need to do it with BNB. Let's see if I had like. I think I had like 0.2 or something. That would get me a lot of meta pets. Let's see how many I'm getting. 100,000, 100 million. So that would give me 423 billion of them. And it's actually really cheap. They'd probably make me put that slippage tolerance way up, though. Should I buy this, everyone? I don't know. You want me to buy MetaPets? Is this going to be, oh, phishing warning? Yeah, we're good. But, it's down a lot. So this might be a good time to get it. What if I did a whole BNB? Or actually, I only want to do 200, so it would be like 0.5? Wait, how much is it? 0.33. Then I could get 699 billion of them. But they might make me change the slippage tolerance a lot higher. They'll probably make it turn to 10. Okay. Yep. But how many do I get now? Should I do it? I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? No. I mean, there's a lot of them. They're not real. They're kind of sketchy, man. I don't know if I like this crypto or not. I don't know. Let's take another look. MetaPets. Meta. Let's go to the website, right? Let's before I buy this, I am gonna do like a deep dive. Let's see how many addresses hold this. Let's see, if they're doing what they say. Let's look at the team. Let's, make sure we have all this. But I think this might be a good little project. I'm not sure. So that's why we have to look. The ecosystem, the metaverse is a place where you can create. Okay. Custom pets, 2D game, charity, giveaways, cross chain, dApps. Yeah, this looks sketchy to me. It's saying all this stuff, but there's like nothing to it though. A project's white paper? No, this is not. Oh, I guess you could. Is it better? We have translated it. Oh, okay. So they have it right here. Okay. I don't want to download the file really, but ecosystem network. Binance Smart Chain. Oh, I don't like Binance. Yeah, these ones are always sketchy though. And even connecting your wallet to those on this right here or wherever I was over here, that could be sketchy. I didn't connect my wallet yet. So I always want to look into it first. So tokenomics. Let's look at this. 13 total tax. 13% according to the book. Redistribute to our amazing holders, to liquidity to maintain stability, prize fund wallet for community gains and cash prizes, marketing development. Yeah, it sounds good, but yeah, just look, there's not enough to this. Now I want to go to the actual. I mean, it says there's $10 million in volume, though. That could all be fake. I don't think so. Not sure. MetaMask, MetaPet staking. Oh, this is like MetaMask. Oh no way, we're not doing this one. Mm-mm. All right, I just talked myself out of it. This just looks too sketchy. Let's go the white paper. Hold on. Let's go to the actual address and look at this thing. How many people hold? Oh wow, 110,000. That's got to be fake. 771,000 transfers. exact token. So he bought this. It went from Wrapped B&B to MetaPets. Let's see. Transaction fee. He spent $25. Cost $1.46. All right. Let's look from. Okay, but where did it go to? There we go. I want to see his wallet now. Hmm. Where's the copy button? Save. What? No, I just want to put that up here. All right. Oh well. Uh, Filtered by address. Okay. Anyway, $22. That's how much this is. That's the transaction hash. But I wanted to look at his wallet. Oh, here we go. So that person has some B&B, and they basically only bought this. I think. Let's see what other tokens they have. They got MetaPets, Army, Ape8.io. Those are probably really bad tokens too. I'd be careful. There's too many sketchy tokens. Yeah, Dragon Ball token. Yeah, these are all sketchy ones, man. And this is the only one worth money. But it's not really. Look at that. It's not really even worth money. So I'm not 100% sure. Let's look. Oh, it's the same one again. All right. I don't know. I'd say no. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it. All right, next. Let's see if we can't find another one kind of like that. But where did we find that thing even? I don't even remember where we're at. Meta pets. Oh yeah, we went into here into the ranking, and then Elo Inu. This is like it's up 604%. Then Moonseer. We've looked at Moonseer before. Look at this thing, 4 zeros and a 1, and it had a nice day today. Boom, 2 million in volume. Now, invalid symbol. Oh, that's because it's not supposed to be USD. What? Okay, invalid symbol. So they're not going to be on the chart. All right, good to know. I'm not picking that one. Elo Inu. Oh, this is another one of those smart chain ones, man. These are sketchy. Oh, look at that. Ah, how much volume? $46,000. That's it. So if you had a bunch of money, you could pump one of these things for a second, maybe. I don't know how you do it, and then just get right out. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Elo Inu. Here's the website. A community driven DeFi. We love Doges and we know what they can do. We will do much better. That worries me right there. That's not how you spell dogs. There's no E. Doges, maybe. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, man. Okay, white paper or buy on Pancake Swap. What? I want to learn about it before I buy it. White paper, website launch, social accounts, token audit. Okay, so we are quarter one or quarter two? I think we're moving on quarter two now. These are the social media accounts. Only 6,000 followers. Yeah, probably pretty early on this one, but this is a meme coin. So if y'all are for meme coins, here's one you might not know about. Not financial advice or entertainment purposes, only common sense. Maybe don't buy this. If you do, I didn't tell you to buy it. Good luck. You probably lose money. Maybe if you lucky people who win money. I'm not gonna buy it though. The risk to reward ratio is just too high for me. I think what I'm gonna do is probably look for a new crypto on Coinbase. Or just put into the ones I'm already in. I'm not doing meta pets. I might just put more money into the graph while it's at these low levels. Right? But Eno, this might be good for you guys. Let's look. We went to the website, the white paper, they have a Telegram group, but this is just kind of sketchy. Let's see. We keep on spreading the word. Take a look at our newest YouTube uploads. Let's check out their YouTube. A 1 minute Shibu Arnie. Okay, they have like pretty nice amount of views. 93,000 subscribers. I don't think this is their channel though. Oh, it's one of these ones. And they just talk while like these business people and this dude sits on a couch and does stuff. And I don't see how these videos do well. Like they do better than mine, and I'm like a real person. I'm not just sitting here showing you some generic video. But I guess people like generic weird video. Not my awesome audience. Not you amazing people. Like we're an hour into this. I think we've narrowed it down to a couple. Honestly, the best one, the best looking one on there, has been either Jasmine or XYO. Maybe LCX if you bought it early. That one might still have a little bit of meat on the bone. I want to get a crypto before it pumps. So 100xers, what? 100xers are hard. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to yell much on the mic. Hopefully that's why the mic was farther away. But thank you for that. The ape in the room. I don't know if it's gonna 100x, but that's the same thing that happened with me in Solana. Every time I went to go buy it, I was like, it's just too high. I'm gonna wait for it to go down a little bit, before let all the hype go down. And it never went. It just kept going up and up and up and up and up. And I was like, man, every time I went to go get into it, how do you find the next Solana? Well, that's a little bit different, and I think we're going to address that in some of our next videos instead of right now. We just kind of went and looked at crypto gems, and that's kind of how you do it. You look at the websites, go look at how many holders of the tokens there are. Look how many there are, and look if there's a little bit of sketchy. If they don't have very many followers, or people flock to free crypto and to crypto projects. So if you don't have like 10 to 20,000 followers and you're a legit crypto project, unless you're just building on like the internet computer or one of these smaller chains I can see, but Binance is sketchy. Binance has too many scam tokens out there. So be careful. You could find those ones, but where I would go to, Engine Starter. Okay, let's go to a couple that I think are going to be worthwhile that I already know about. Engine Starter. This is one we looked at a while ago on the channel. Let's see how it's doing now, actually. Engine Starter. Oops, I spelled it wrong. That's okay. This blockchain games and the metaverse. So this is one that I'm really looking into getting into for the long term. It is a great crypto, and this is on the Engine, or it's ran by Engine. Let's see exactly what it is. I'm like, I forget exactly the whole deal, but okay. Token genesis event information. Okay, not what I wanted to know, but ecosystem fund, 8% of the entire supply. Seed, strategic, private sale two, public, team, company reserves, community rewards. Okay. So where are we at right now? Okay, completed. Oh, it's all been done. Okay, public. So everything's already been done. Dang it. I was hoping to get in on an ICO, and this is going to be one that I was going to tell you guys. This is where are we, and how could we get this crypto right now? I think I might throw 200 in here. I've been looking at this for a while, and I think we might pull the trigger if I can figure out how. Launchpad. Join starter. Public IDO. Must stake. Animal concerts. We stream concerts online in the metaverse and partner with the artists for NFT drops. Oh, here we go. EJS price 1.2 cents. I want this. So it's on Ethereum and Binance. Here are the addresses for both. Ooh, buy EJS on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Mexi, Global. Oh, we talked about this on Gate.io. Okay, so I think I'm going to buy some of this. You could buy it on PancakeSwap with Binance. I don't want mine on Binance though. Well, it might be cheaper. So if you want cheaper gas fees, you can buy this on Binance. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy this, but I think I might buy this. But if you don't mind paying the bigger Ethereum gas fees, which I might do because more valuable on Ethereum, and I trust it more. Like Binance, I've been messed over by Binance before, but I'd like to see this on Coinbase. Is this on Coinbase? Let's see. Is Engine Starter on Coinbase? Okay, well, not that kind of engine. We're gonna see here in a minute if it's on here. Oh, you can buy it with the Coinbase wallet. Ooh, this is the one, guys. I think we found it. I think we found our 10xer. I think we might even found our 100xer. I am buying this crypto. No joke. Where do I want to buy it at? I might not be able to do it online here with you guys, but oh, this is EJS USDT. Definitely don't want that. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting this guy. I'm excited now. Ooh, I didn't know that we were gonna. I'm gonna make a video about this. I'm buying this crypto. I'm gonna make a video about it later, guys. We're gonna do that. We're gonna buy Engine Starter later. We found our crypto though. It was a very successful round of finding a 10x crypto because that brought Engine Starter back to my attention, and it's down 5% today. You can see it on Coinbase. You can buy it on with the Coinbase wallet. And maybe I might do that because I have some farm token. Well, if I get some Ethereum, I can sell my farm token too. That's what I was thinking. If I do fund my Coinbase wallet with Ethereum, buy some engine starter, whatever gas fee. Hopefully, it's not too much. Let's go see how much the gas fees are for Ethereum real quick, and then we'll see. And then I might do this with you guys. Let's see, where is this thing? Okay, Uniswap. Let's just see how much the gas fee would be to do. Because I would do it through the Coinbase wallet through my Uniswap EJS Ethereum pair. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. Yes. All right. Let's go. Total liquidity 759,000. Not bad. Volume only 17,000, which is not bad for right now. Okay. Fees $50. So there's not a whole lot of fees. $50. Well, I don't know how many people but there's still a lot of tokens, over 30 million. I'm really thinking about doing this. So yeah, you guys are gonna want to watch out for this video. I'm gonna be doing here in a minute. But let's see. How can I do this? Let's exchange. I don't know if I can do it on your trade. Here we go. Here we go. This token doesn't appear on the active token list. Make sure this is a token that you want to trade. Yes, it is. I trust it. I trust it. I really, really trust it. I trust it. All right. Let's say I have. Well, how much Ethereum? Let's see. I'm going to get some Ethereum real quick. Okay. Let's see. Okay. See how much Ethereum I need to trade. Okay. Buy Ethereum with cash. Well, I want to convert another crypto to Ethereum. Ethereum, not from. There we go. Okay. So let's say $200. How much Ethereum would that be? Point 0.0619. 0.0619. Okay. Point zero zero point 0.061988 something else. Okay. Is that all it would get me? Okay, about 195 bucks. Okay. And then how much gas? Ooh, the gas fee is 11 bucks. Okay, that's not too bad. I really think I'm gonna do. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna do this. Why am I only getting? How much are they charged? Ooh, the gas fee just went down to 10 bucks. Okay. Hold on. Why am I only getting 15,000? Is that right? Is that how many I should be getting? Yeah, it is. Okay, dude, I'm doing it. I am doing this. How am I gonna do this? I want to make a video about doing this, but I want to make it a shorter video so that a lot of people can come. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call this a night right now. Let's do some like chat for a little while, and then you guys are gonna see me buy this engine starter. Go I can't tell you to go buy it with me, but if you guys, think this is a good project, I'm gonna put a couple $100 into this thing, man. I haven't been this excited on a project for a while. This is why, one of the reasons I got into crypto is how fun it is to find a good project. Like I haven't been excited about a project for a little while. And so finding this engine starter, looking at all the pre-sale stuff that was happening, it is just doing so good. See, he even knew about the Elo Inu garbage. So that's why we went past that. We looked at a lot of cryptos today, a lot of new cryptos, a lot of like big name cryptos that are already established, and then we found one that is a diamond in the rough that I think we can. It's only at like a 1.2 pennies right now, and it just had its ICO and all of the things that a new crypto has. What if it gets listed on Coinbase next? And we bought it before that. So this is the crypto I think to buy before the blow up. So engine starter, we're gonna make another video about it probably right after this on my other channel, which is Bitcoin Renegade Shorts. I'd like to make it on here, but this video is already getting too long. So go over to Bitcoin Renegade Shorts. I'll upload that if you want step-by-step tutorial on how to buy engine starter. We're going to do that right now. So any questions or Aventus on Coinbase might be a good long term. My friend thought so as well, Aventus. So that might be, but for right now, we looked at it and it was kind of okay. It just hadn't really had a lot of pumping lately, but I think wait, no, that was Suku. I'd have to go back into that and see. I'm trying to remember. I know we talked about Aventus, but we also talked about other ones too. I don't want to get those confused. 246. Okay. Long term hold. Well, let's look at What is it? Oh yeah, this is the layer two. This is a good look. Yeah. So this might be the same kind of long-term hold that you would think you would get out of like a Polygon. It is the same kind of layer two capabilities, but as for super long term, I don't know because Ethereum is changing to ETH 2.0, so it isn't really going to need the scaling solutions that it used to need, but it is a layer two, not just for Ethereum, but for Polkadot. So that will continue to be a good thing for the long term with this crypto. So it could be a long term hold. Not financial advice, right? But I think, yeah, I think this one might not be too bad. Right now, we're kind of at a high area, but in this crypto's life, but I don't know this crypto that well, so I'm only speculating. I would want to watch it for a lot longer and do more, reconnaissance with it. But yeah, pretty good crypto overall. But you guys know my long terms are my Solanas, my ICPs, my Algorands, my graphs, anything with a really good ecosystem. So that's what you really want to look for in cryptos and stuff like that. So engine starter though. Okay, I got to do this. I'd love to stay with you all night. Like I love these live streams and I love doing this. That's why I want to, make this like my job and like do this for a living and bring you guys value at the same time. So let's go buy some engine starter. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang! Engine starter to the moon.